AI is completely changing the way e-com brands create their ads. Just a year or two ago, if you wanted high quality creatives, you needed product samples, UGC creators, video editors, and sometimes even a full production team. But today, you can go from a single product idea to multiple image ads and AI UGC videos in just a few minutes without even touching your product. And that's why so many brands are using AI to create and test more ads than ever before. But here's the catch. Generating ads is easy. Generating ads that actually convert is the hard part. And that's exactly what we're gonna focus on today. Now, the mistake most people make is they think they can just open up ChatGPT, Nano Banana, or whatever AI tool they're using, type in "make me a winning ad," and it's magically gonna spit out something profitable. And technically, yeah, it can make you an ad, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be a good one. Because the AI doesn't automatically know your customer, your market, your product, your offer, the pain points, the objections, the use cases, or the exact message that's actually going to get someone to stop scrolling and care. That's why a lot of AI tools look decent on the surface, but they don't actually sell anything. They're missing the strategy behind the creative. And to make AI ads actually work, you need to feed the AI real research. You need product details, customer avatars, benefits, pain points, competitor examples, proven ad angles, visual references, and enough context for it to understand what kind of ad it's actually supposed to create. And doing all of that manually can take hours. Even with AI, you're usually jumping between 3 and 4 different tools just to get one usable ad. One for research, another for prompts, another for ad angles, and another for images and AI UGC videos. And if you don't understand e-commerce, you might be making AI slop without even realizing it. That's the big difference. Anybody can use AI to make ads now, but using AI to make ads that actually convert, that's a completely different skill. So naturally, I've been looking for a way to simplify this entire process. And I recently came across a tool called Angled that takes a completely different approach than most AI tools I've already tested. Instead of jumping straight into generating images or videos, it actually starts with the research. It researches your product, your market, your competitors, and your ideal customer. Then it uses all of that information to generate research-backed ad angles that actually make sense for your product. From there, it can turn those ideas into both image ads and AI UGC videos all on the same platform. It even lets you track how your ads are performing over time so you can double down on what's working instead of constantly starting from scratch. What I like most is that it's built specifically for e-commerce products, so you're not forcing a generic AI tool to think like a marketer. It already understands the workflow we're trying to build. So let me show you exactly how it works. So if you want to follow along with me, I'll leave a link for you guys down below. You can create your free account and they give you enough credits to actually test everything I'm about to show you. And one thing I would recommend before diving in is checking out this quick tutorial right here and joining their community. They're constantly updating this app with new features all the time, so it's worth spending a few minutes getting familiar with the actual platform. Now, before we start generating any ads, we need to build our research document first. This is really the foundation that everything else is built on. All right, so right away, there's a spot for you to paste your product URL. This works for any Shopify link, Amazon link, AliExpress link, or wherever your product is. I'm gonna go ahead and use AG1 for this example specifically, but this works for any product you wanna sell. Any dropshipping product, supplement, cosmetic product, literally anything. So paste your product URL in there and click start. So then right here, you're just gonna fill out all the details for your product. The more information you give this, the better results you're gonna get. So fill in your product title, the brand name, any additional product page links, notes, your avatar description. You can upload any research documents if you've already created some. So make sure to fill all of this in to the best of your ability. Click continue. So then right here, you're gonna go ahead and upload some product images as well as your logo. For your photos, you wanna upload as many as you can. You wanna go ahead and upload actual photos of your product in use, any packaging, hero shots. Like I already mentioned, the more you feed into this, the better results you're gonna get. So then you can upload your logo, your brand color. Right here, you're gonna type in a product-specific prompt. These are product-specific details that you want the AI tool to know. So that way it doesn't get anything wrong when it starts generating these images and videos. So I'll upload my product-specific prompt right here, and we'll go ahead and generate our research document. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's gonna spend a few minutes creating our research document. I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. All right, so after about 5 minutes, our research document is now done. You'll be able to see all your research documents right here as you create them, and you can always create as many as you want to. But let's go ahead and open this one up. Now, obviously, we're not gonna go through every page of this because there's a lot here, but let me show you some of the things that I actually figured out. So right here, you're gonna have a summary of your actual brand and product. It's gonna have all of those images, your logo, your brand colors, the product-specific prompt, as well as a quick summary. But then it went ahead and filled out all of your product features, the benefits, the different use cases, product-based objections, and you can go through each one of these individually. Comes up with all of your avatar research. You guys can read more about your customer avatars, their language, their tone, their experiences, their goals and aspirations, their emotions and behaviors. And if you wanted to use this outside of Angled, you can always download the PDF right here. But normally putting something together like this would take days, if not weeks. Look at all this information in here. So think of all this as your creative brief. Every ad we're about to generate is now using all of this information instead of guessing. And that's what makes this tool so advanced. So now that AI actually understands our product, let's start coming up with some ad angles. We can click Use Tools right here. This is important because we want to make sure the ad idea is good before we waste time and credits turning them into actual ads. So to create your first ad angle, go ahead and select your research document right up here at the top, select New Ad Angle. So at the very top, select whether you want to use this to create images or videos. We'll go ahead and start with our AI images. You're going to start with a format. Do you want a lifestyle with no headline, lifestyle with headline, an infographic image? You can select the actual size as well as the tone right here. And then you can always override the actual ad angle, the avatar, as well as additional details. So let's go ahead and generate a lifestyle image, 1-to-1 ratio, and relatable tone. Let's see what it comes up with. So you guys can see the first concept it came up with, this fresh start reset. We can open this up and take a look at the actual brief and see everything that it generated right here. So let's go ahead and come up with another concept. This time, let's go ahead and select infographic. We'll do direct response, keep 1-to-1 ratio, come up with another brief for this. All right, so the second concept down here, we have the cabinet reset infographic. We can go ahead and view this brief as well, make sure everything aligns, we like it all. So I'm really liking this one too. Let's go ahead and generate one more ad angle, but this time, let's do a video brief. So select AI UGC, the format you want. Let's do 9:16 so we can post this on Reels and TikTok. Once again, select your tone. We can do direct response, playful and funny, or relatable. Let's go ahead and do relatable for this one. And then all this is optional down here. You can fill in any of these additional details if you already have an ad angle you want to go with, an avatar, or anything else. But let's go ahead and see what it comes up with for this one. All right, so we got our first video brief down here. It came up with a clean slate morning. You can go ahead and go through all of this to make sure it aligns once again. But now that we've got a few concepts we actually like, it's time to build the actual creative. You can either generate everything directly inside the platform, or if you've got another tool you prefer, you can take these concepts and build them out yourself. I like that it gives you both options. I'm going to keep everything in one place and create both our image and UGC ads inside the platform here. So to get started with your first set of image ads, go ahead and select whichever concept you want to create, click generate 3 images, and it's going to go ahead and use this brief to come up with 3 image ads for you. And wow, here they are. It actually generated all of these in under 30 seconds, and I'm really impressed. We have 3 high quality lifestyle images showing our product in use. And as you guys can see right here, each one of these is going to have the angled watermark over top. You can select which of these ads you actually want to keep. You can go ahead and keep all 3, 1 or 2, or none at all. And you can actually regenerate these as many times as you want to. So I really like this one right here. We'll go ahead and keep this image, like this one as well. And I like this one too. That way we're reaching all different demographics of people. This guy's showing it as part of his daily routine. This guy's showing it in a group setting. And this person's using it to solve all of her current problems. So we'll keep all 3 image ads right here, and let's come up with the next concept, the cabinet reset. So we'll open up this one as well, and let's generate all 3 images for this brief. And just like that, it spits out 3 high quality infographic images that we could run tonight. So out of all of these, I probably like the one in the middle the best, so we'll make sure to keep that one. I also like this one over here on the left-hand side, so we'll keep this one as well. This one's a little bit too close to the first one, so we'll go ahead and just keep these 2 images. So you can exit out of there, and you can keep track of all your different ads down here. Like for example, when you first make all these ad angles, they show up as ready to generate. But then you can switch this to ready to test, or if you're actually testing these ads right now, you can select testing. And then once you determine whether they're a winner or a loser, you can adjust this accordingly. So say this first concept right here is a winner, this one's a loser. It's going to keep track of your hit rate and show you the percentage right here. So this will just help you keep track of everything when you start generating hundreds of different ads. All right, so now that we've got our first couple sets of image ads created, let's go ahead and come up with some AI UGC. Now the AI UGC video generator is still in beta, so sometimes your product might not show up correctly. You'll just want to regenerate it a couple times until you get a video you like. But let's generate our first video and see what it comes up with right here. So it's going to spend a few minutes throwing everything together. I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's finished. All right, so this one takes a little bit longer to generate. This took about 15-20 minutes to create, but our video is now completed. So let's take a look at it.
I'm done with the whole pill lineup thing. I had 6 bottles sitting there, stared at them every morning and never touched half of them. AG1 it's everything in one. Mix it, done. I know I've got my bases covered. And it comes in a pouch now. Throws in my bag, stays fresh, doesn't live on my counter anymore. If you're over the clutter and the decision fatigue, grab AG1.
So the visuals, the product, everything about this video looks really good. The editing is great, and honestly, this is still in beta, so this is only going to improve over time. So let's say you started testing this video ad and it was a winner. You can mark it as a winner in here, keep track of everything, and then once you have some ad angles that you know actually convert for your brand, you can go ahead and override them for any new brief you create. So for example, if this is a winning ad angle, you can paste it in here and start making more around the same concept. And this is just a really good way to keep track of what's working and keep generating content to scale your brand, both AI images and AI UGC. And like I already mentioned, this works for any product you want to sell. Most people use AI to make an ad before it understands the product, but this flips that around entirely. It teaches the AI about your product first, then asks it to create the ad. If you want to follow along with everything I just showed you today, I've partnered with Angle to get you a free trial so you can actually test the platform yourself. Your account comes with free credits, which is enough to generate your own research document, create ad angles, and even start building AI image and UGC ads right away. Then if you decide this is something you want to keep using, you can simply top up your credits and continue using the platform. I'll have a link down below in case you want to check it out. But if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.